Hey, it's Dr. A from the Fit Father Project and the Fit Mother Project. As we tell all of our Fit Father and Fit Mother program members, the most important thing when it comes to a healthy nutrition plan is that it's actually sustainable. Because it makes absolutely no sense to go ahead and start some kind of diet that you're only going to fall off track with in a few months. And in my opinion, one of the most important aspects of sustainability is that it's actually enjoyable. And that's why in today's video, I want to talk about dessert. And I want to talk about one of my favorite healthy desserts and why I believe it's essential for your long-term success to have healthy dessert options into your life. Because let's face it, after we have a meal or sometimes we have a long day, a lot of us have a little bit of a sweet tooth or we want to have a little something extra after dinner. And if you don't have a healthy dessert that's slotted in that you absolutely love, you could turn to all sorts of bad stuff like eat a pint of ice cream, eat a bunch of cookies, and that's just not good for you. And thankfully, there are some simple and actual nutritious ways that you can get healthy dessert into your life. And I want to share with you one that I've been playing around a lot with lately, and that is making some chia seed pudding. And so here's the thing, dessert can be delicious, and I'm gonna show you a simple way that I do this, and I actually have been having this almost every single night after dinner. So I have dinner, and then I actually intentionally just top dinner off with a little serving of this chia pudding. And if you make this, it's actually a way that this can be literally zero sugar. If you're following a super low-carb ketogenic plan, this could have zero sugar, but there's also some ways you can add it up with some honey and stuff. So here's the basic deal. What you do is you get a mason jar or some kind of jar of your choosing. This happens to work really well. You get yourself some organic coconut milk. This is really good because coconut, and you've probably heard about these medium chain triglycerides, these MCTs. Well, coconut has some of these healthy fats in there, and a cup of coconut has 5 grams of fat, like 1 gram of protein, 0 grams of sugar. So it's really good. You want to get the unsweetened version. You pour 2 cups of coconut milk inside a mason jar, and then you add 6 tablespoons of chia seeds. And that is it. You literally put 6 tablespoons of chia seeds in 2 cups of coconut milk, you put it in your fridge overnight, and you have chia pudding. And this is exactly what it looks like right here. It is awesome stuff. I mean, the coconut has a nice, delicious flavor, and chia seeds are packed with nutrition. Now, if you want to make it a little sweeter, which I do recommend, you can actually put some drops of stevia. So in this kind of 2 cups of the coconut milk in here, you can add 6 to 12 drops of liquid stevia. Or what I do is I'm okay with having a little added sugar. I have some raw manuka honey that I actually add in after the fact. So when I actually am eating this chia pudding, I put some raw manuka honey. But assuming you added nothing else to it, just the coconut milk, just the chia seeds, and a little bit of stevia, each serving of this, and it'll make around 3 servings in the full 2-cup container, has 150 calories. And of those 150 calories, you're getting 7 grams of fiber, 5 grams of protein, and around 11 grams of healthy fat with 0 sugar. So just think about this. You could have a go-to healthy dessert like this. And there's so many other options, right? You could have a frozen banana and you can melt some dark chocolate on it. You can get a coconut chocolate ice cream bar. You could do something else, a square of dark chocolate, whatever. This is something I want you to be aware of, and it's so easy and it's so fun. And if you want to really make it even more exciting, what I did last night is when I put the 2 cups of coconut milk in here with the 6 tablespoons of chia seeds, I also added a bunch of organic blueberries. So there's blueberries in here and there's health benefits to this stuff. So I just want to let you know that adding another 150 calories to your dinner in the form of healthy fats, and again, those chia seeds have omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, good amino acids, and they keep you full. It's like a no-brainer to me to not incorporate this into your life. And so do you have a go-to dessert? If not, try Dr. A's chia seed pudding. I think you're going to absolutely love it. Again, the recipe is so simple. 2 cups of coconut milk unsweetened, 6 tablespoons of chia seeds. If you want to add stevia, 6 to 12 drops, or you could use some raw organic honey, and the manuka honey I use has a lot of health benefits too after the fact, and you have a delicious dessert. That's it, my friend. Go forth and make healthy desserts. It's going to make nutrition sustainable, and when you make it sustainable, you're going to win long term. Dr. A signing off. I'll see you around our channels, and I'll talk to you very soon.